Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and today I am going to show you how you can delete messages on Android and iPhone. So let's dive in. So the first thing you want to do is to go ahead to your Instagram, and you can go ahead to messages on the top right corner of your screen. And what I'm going to do is to show you how to delete a message. So if you want to delete a message on iPhone, what you want to do is to hold on the text. You just hold on the text, and this is a text that we didn't send, so we don't have the option of deleting it. So you hold on the text and you click unsend. Hold on the text and click unsend. And as you can see, the text has been deleted. And that is how you do it, guys. On iPhone, you just hold on the text and you click and send. Now on Android, it is a similar process. All you have to do is to go ahead and hold on the text and click and send. It is a very similar process, and I'm just going to go ahead and show an example. And go ahead to your Instagram on Android, and I'm going to find the text, and all I have to do is to hold on the text, click on the text. Remember that you cannot delete text that you have not sent. If you found this information helpful, be sure to leave a comment, like, and subscribe for more content like this. Thank you guys for watching this video.